Hello बच्चों, a set of information is A, B, C, D and F are six schools of Harvard and MIT participating in annual worldwide championship. This consists of six sporting events, two track events that is 200-meter and 10-meter long jump, two water events that is swimming and diving, and two board events chess and carom. Each school send one participant for each of the six events. In each event, the top three positions were awarded medals and prize. The following information is known about the championship. We will use this information to fill the table. The first point says that no school achieved the same position in any two sports. So that means for each sports there is different position for each school. That means we will have 1 to 6 for each school. Now no school managed to get more than one medal in track events. Similarly, no school managed to get more than one medal in water events, and similarly in board events. That means if someone won a medal, that means the first, second, or third place in, let's say, 200 meters, then in 10 meters, there will be no position from out of 1, 2, and 3. That we will keep in mind while solving the questions. Now, the information given to us is F, A, and C won 200 diving and chess events respectively. So F stood first in 200 meters. That means now we can say that F cannot have first, second, or third position in 10 meter. Then A won to diving, first in diving. Similarly, we can say that A cannot have first, second, or third position in swimming. Then C won first position in chess. Same thing we can say for C, that he cannot have first, second, or third position in carom. Further, next point, A, E, and F placed third in 200 diving and chess events. A is third in 200, then E third in diving, and then F third in chess. Now next point says D, B, and F placed fourth in 10 meter. So D is fourth in 10 meter. B is fourth in swimming, and F is fourth in carom. Next we are given F, A, and E placed last in, that is last means sixth in, F in 10 meter, A in swimming, E in carom. So this information is already given to us in the question. Now we have to fill the remaining information out of this by predicting. So if we check, we know that A cannot be in 10 meters, A cannot be first, second, or third. A cannot be first, second, or third. Now we have to focus horizontal as well as vertical, because horizontally and vertically we have to complete a sequence of 1 to 6, and no value should repeat horizontally as well as vertically in any particular cell. So if we talk about A in 10 meters, A cannot be at first, second, or third position because A has already won a medal in 200 meters. So there cannot be 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 6 are already confirmed in 10 meters. So that means the only place left is fifth position for A. Now next, if we focus on chess, A has confirmed first, third, fifth, and sixth position. Okay. Now, if we check in carom, fourth position is already confirmed. Now for A, we are left with only for 2 and fourth position. Out of which, if we check in carom, fourth position is confirmed. That means A cannot get fourth position in carom. So A has to get second position in carom. And for chess, A is left with fourth position. Okay. Now moving further, if we talk about next that is E in 10 meters horizontally and vertically. If we see, sorry, in swimming, E in swimming horizontally and vertically, if we see, the only possibilities are what? E cannot be having 1, 2 or 3 position in swimming because E has already won a medal in diving. So we cannot have 1, we cannot have 2, and vertically and horizontally, if we eliminate the options, we cannot repeat. The only possibility is 5 here. The only possibility is 5 for E. Now moving next, for D in swimming, if we check for D in swimming, the only possibility which we can place here is first position for D in swimming, because horizontally and vertically all the other positions are preoccupied. Now next, after this, if we check F for swimming, the only possibility left is second position, and in swimming the only possibility which is missing is third, and that third position will be for C in swimming. Next, if we focus on D in diving, D cannot have first, second or third position in diving because he has already won in swimming. The only possibility for D in the diving is sixth position. After this, if we focus on E in chess, the only possibility which is left for horizontal and vertical, the missing value is only second. Similarly, from here we can directly go to E in 10 meters. The only possibility horizontally and vertically that number we can place here is 1. And now if we complete all the values for E, the only position left for E is fourth in 200. Now if we check D in chess, the only value which can be placed here, if we eliminate all the positions horizontally and vertically, we can place only fifth position here. And now for carom for D, the only possible value is third position. We have to just check a horizontal and vertical maximum number of times because that will eliminate the values. Now the only value which we can place for D in 200 meters is the only one with that is second position. From here, if we focus on C in carom, the possible value horizontal and vertical which is missing is fifth position. Then from here, the only possible value in carom, the possible value for B is first position. Now in carom, B cannot have 2 and 3, and also the only possible value in carom column is sixth position. Now moving to diving for B, if we check horizontally and vertically, we cannot have 1, 3, 6, 4 and 5. So the only possible value is 2. Next, if we go for F, that will be the only possible value will be the fifth one, and that means for C it will be the fourth one. Now if we go for B and C in 10 meters, if we focus on B and C on 10 meters, the only values which are left for 10 meters is 2 and 3. The only possible values for 10 meters which are missing is 2 and 3. C already got third position in swimming, that means C cannot get third position in 10 meters. So the possible value for C in 10 meters is second, that means B is third. Now if we focus on 200 meters, the only positions which are left is fifth and sixth. Now C already got fifth position in carom, so that means C will get sixth position in 200 meters, and automatically B will get fifth position in 200 meters. Now moving to the question. Now the question says that how many people finished between B and C in 10-meter long jump event. In 10-meter long jump event, B finished third and C finished second. So there is no person in between them. So as this is a theta question, So answer for this question will be 0. I hope you understood well. All the best.